Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a heart-shaped frame on CapCut PC. Select your video. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to select this for the frame. You can choose any color you want, of course. I'm just going to scale that too, and I'm going to select mask, and I'm just going to select the heart shape and create a heart shape and feather it out just a little bit if you want to. Right click, select create compound clip, and add in another heart mask. Select the invert reverse button and create a heart shape with that, and you can also feather that out again. And to scale it, you're just going to go back to basic and scale the heart frame here. But that is basically it. You can also do this with other shapes on a CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!